Alan here for our Year 3 presentation assembly. Yes, we've made it. It's Friday, the 17th of December. We're at the last day of the autumn term. And what an amazing autumn term it has been. And what amazing Year 3s you have been. You'll see in a moment, you won't see a great deal of me, but you'll see amazing Year 3s coming up shortly who've earned themselves certificates throughout this term. And they've been working so hard. So really, really well deserved. A nice early Christmas present for some of you, getting certificates to take home today. As you can see, we've got Year 3s. It's Friday, 7th of December 2021. Without further ado, you won't see a great deal of me. You'll just see amazing Year 3s coming up now. So watch this carefully. We're going to start off in Year 3 with the top 3 house points in each class. Let's have a little look at all these children who've been working so hard and earning themselves house points throughout this term. So we've got Nala on 46, we've got Olivia on 49, and we've got Sky on 50. And then in Mr. Pinner's class, we've got Ebony on 60, we've got Muntar on 62, and we've got Rion on 73. A huge number of house points. Really, really well done, guys. I am so, so proud of you. Look at that, a fantastic effort throughout this term. Well done on earning all of those house points, and keep it up in the spring term as well. And let's see if you appear in a moment with some of the certificates as well. So let's have a look. And we'll see Mrs. George's reading stars. Look at these guys, been reading every single day. So we've got Dorcas, we've got Ramya, we've got Ruby, and we've got George. Well done, guys. Not only have they earned themselves a reading certificate, but they've also earned themselves a reading book, which I'm sure they will read over Christmas. So really well done, you four superstars, and keep up that reading over Christmas as well, which I'm sure you will. Next, we have some math stars. Look at these mathematicians, and look at the maths. It is amazing. Mrs. George, you have been working them hard. So you've got Lacey, you've got Jacob, you've got Leland, and we've got Bruna. Look at you guys. I am so, so proud of you guys. That's amazing. Look at your amazing maths. It's fantastic. Really, really well done. Well done, guys. And fantastic maths. And keep it up, over Christmas as well. Keep doing bits of maths, because it is amazing. Look at that. Well done, all of you. Next, we have our PE stars, and these guys have been super fit as well. Look at these guys. They look it as well. So you've got Esma, we've got Rosie, we've got Logan, and we've got Jacob. Well done, guys. Really, really proud of you. Keep being amazing at PE. Keep yourself physically active. Keep yourself really fit over Christmas as well. Okay, because then you can come back in spring term fitter than ever, right? So really well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Mr. George's history stars again. Look at their history. Look at this work. It is a phenomenal. Look at that. That timeline by Casper. It's superb. So you've got Casper, we've got Olivia, we've got Sky, and we've got Tyler. Amazing. Look at the writing as well to go with those illustrations. Really well done, you four. It looks like you really, really enjoyed your history throughout this term. Enjoyed taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Mrs. George's English stars, and again, look at the writing going on here. It is amazing. So you've got Paul, you've got Daisy, you've got Leah, and you've got Nala. Again, amazing handwriting and amazing writing throughout. Well done, you four. I am really, really proud of you. Fantastic writing. And very soon, you'll be getting some handwriting pens as well from Mr. Allen, because that has a beautiful writing as well. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Moving on, look out, Mr. Penner's. Look at Mr. Penner's English stars. Look at these guys. So you've got Lilith, we've got Alfie, we've got Alex, and we've got Luna. Well done, guys. Big smiles on your face. Sure you should be. Well done. You've earned yourself your English certificate for the autumn term. So really, really well done. Nice early Christmas present for you four. Well done. And Mr. Penner's math stars. Look at these, aren't they? Sitting beautifully. Great smiles again. So you've got Cooper, we've got Daria, we've got Rion, and we've got Charlie. Well done, guys. Great maths throughout this term. Keep it up. And I know how hard you have been working. Mr. Penner's super impressed with you also. Well done. We have our reading stars. Again, not only these guys are going to be taking home certificates, but they're going to be taking some reading books home with them as well, where each of them will get a new book to read over Christmas as well. So well done, Mason, Oliver, Muntar, and Perla. Fantastic effort on earning your reading certificate, you superstars. Well done. Our geography stars, look at this. We've got Cece, we've got Esme, we've got Mia, and we've got Omo. Worked really hard on your geography. Really well done. I know you're really proud. Mia, lovely smile, and Esme there. So really well done, guys. Massive smile, and you should be smiling now. Take home your geography stars certificate with you at the end of today. Well done. Yeah, look at these fit children. Aren't they amazing? These PE stars. So we've got Gabby, we've got Gabbia, Michael, and Ebony, all being super fit throughout this term, keeping up and actually doing really well out in PE and in games. So really well done, guys. Keep it up over Christmas. Keep yourself fit, and well done on all of you for earning all of these amazing certificates and taking them home at the end of today. Well done, everyone, indeed. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And it just leaves me to say a very Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And please do all stay safe. Finally, as well, as you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 4th of January 2022. And the gates will be open at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all after Christmas, safe and well. So please do stay safe, stay well, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in the new year in 2022. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye now.